Hello?
Hey, where are you?
I'm in Switzerland. You should see the view. It's stunning.
You're gonna be late.
I'm never late.
Don't make me say it right now.
7 years to create the first J12.
Yeah, 220,898,664 seconds.
I need to say right now, what can I do? Yeah. Unless I
Chapter 3. Arnaud Chastain relentlessly worked to reimagine the J12. Chapter 5. Before, after.
For this to finish as that, it must be heated to over 1,300 degrees.
That's why Chanel ceramic is 7 times more resistant than steel.
And it's softer than silk. Chapter 7. 185, 186, 187, 188, 189, 190. Oh, it's missing a piece.
Et voilà, 191. Chapter 8.
The caliber 12.1
has a power reserve of
70 hours. Chapter 9. 50 hands-on experts are needed to build one J12. 50 hands-on experts are needed to build one J12. 50 hands-on experts are needed to build one J12. 50 hands-on experts, one J12.
We're gonna need a bigger tank. How does that sound?
Sounds like Chanel. Chapter 12. Every piece of the J12 is checked meticulously before being hand-placed into its box, with love from us to you.